This visualization represents the daily flow of digital communication. While millions of messages move through our network smoothly, a single post occasionally breaks that rhythm. Learning to evaluate these interruptions is the first step in maintaining a safe school environment. This tutorial outlines a specific process for identifying, containing, and reporting concerning online behavior. We will move through 4 specific steps to ensure your response is both safe and effective. To follow this process, you will need a smart device, a list of trusted adults, and your school's reporting channel. Knowing exactly who to contact and which tools to use transforms a concerning discovery into a manageable series of steps. Having this roadmap ready allows you to move from observation to action without hesitation. Step 1 is to notice and evaluate. Most online expressions of frustration are temporary outbursts, but we are looking for specific indicators that suggest a need for intervention. To find these indicators, look for an escalation pattern. This means looking at multiple posts over a period of time rather than judging a person based on a single comment. On this simulated timeline, the change is visible. We see a shift toward intense anger, withdrawal, or a fixation on revenge. Tracking these changes across several days helps identify when a peer's behavior trends toward a crisis. Recognizing these patterns early provides school staff and counselors with the window of time they need to offer support before the situation worsens. Step 2 is to pause and contain. When you identify a concerning pattern, physically remove your hands from the keyboard. Staying calm allows you to follow the process without making the situation more volatile. Do not engage publicly. Replying to a post draws a wider audience and can provoke unpredictable reactions. You should also avoid sharing or forwarding the content, as distributing the post increases the potential for widespread panic. Do not attempt to confront the person directly in a private message. Direct confrontation can place you in an unsafe position and often escalates the poster's emotional state. This is the containment principle. Choosing not to interact with the post actively stops the spread of the threat, keeping the situation contained. Step 3 is to preserve. If it aligns with your school's policies, you need to document what you saw so that authorities have an accurate record to review. Local preservation is the most secure method. Take a screenshot and save it directly to your smart device's photo gallery, keeping it in a private folder rather than your social media feed. Avoid the impulse to send this screenshot to a group chat for advice. That spreads the information you are trying to contain. Preserving the image locally creates an objective record that cannot be altered or deleted, providing clear evidence for the adults handling the report. Step 4 is to report. The final stage of the process is the handoff, where you provide your preserved evidence to the appropriate authority immediately. You have 2 primary ways to do this. You can fill out your school's anonymous digital reporting form, or you can present the evidence directly to a teacher, counselor, or parent. Reporting connects a struggling individual with professional resources and support that a peer cannot provide. It ensures that the person receives help from those trained to give it. Once you have submitted the report, your role in the process is complete. You have successfully passed the information to the people responsible for the next steps. After the report is filed, disengage from the situation entirely. Allow the trained professionals to carry out their intervention and response plans. To review, you have noticed the pattern, paused to contain the spread, and reported the evidence to the proper channels. The strength of a school's safety net depends on these individual actions. When students consistently follow this process, the school gains multiple layers of observation, making it more likely that a student in distress receives an early intervention. Every student who recognizes a warning sign and acts decisively contributes to a safer community. By following these steps, you help protect your school.